Question answer chapter 10 class 5th. Short answer type question. The first question is, why is atmosphere essential? Answer is, atmosphere is essential because it retains heat and secures us against harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Children, atmosphere is essential. Essential means it is necessary because it retains. Retains means it absorbs heat and secure us. Secure us means protect us against harmful ultraviolet rays, means UV rays of the sun. Question 2. What is troposphere? Troposphere is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. It is the thickest layer of air. It contains 75% of air in it. All weather conditions occur in this layer. Children, atmosphere has many layers and troposphere, this is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. And you have seen the different layers thickness, so it is the thickest layer of air. What is the composition of air? This is our question number 3. Air contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. Other gases such as carbon dioxide, argon, hydrogen, helium and neon. Children, composition means what air contains. Air generally contains maximum nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and in 1% many gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, argon, hydrogen, helium and neon like gases. Question 4. Name the types of impurities present in water. Answer is, there are two types of impurities present in water. These are soluble and insoluble. Soluble and insoluble impurities are generally present in water. Question 5. Define evaporation and distillation. Evaporation, the process of changing water into water vapor by heating. This process is called evaporation. Distillation, it is a method of separation of both solute and solvent separately from the solution. Long answer type question. Question number 1. Write about the properties of air. Children, in this question we have to tell about the properties of air, and these are: air has weight. Inflated football or balloon has definite weight. So we can say that air has weight because the inflated football or balloon contains only air. Second property is air occupies space. When we blow air into a balloon, it turns bigger and bigger. This shows air occupies space because in balloon we inflate only air, and because of that it becomes bigger in size. Third property of air, air exerts pressure. Air pushes an object from all directions. Air exerts pressure in all directions. Question 2. Write about 4 uses of air pressure seen in our daily life. Answer is, 4 uses of air pressure seen in our daily life are as follows. First is to draw ink into fountain pens. Air pressure is used to draw ink into fountain pens. Second, to draw medicines into a dropper or syringe. Third use is cycle, car and bus tires are filled with air for smooth driving. And the fourth point is to draw water to the earth's surface using hand pump. In all these processes or function air pressure is used. Question 3. Write 3 properties of water. 3 properties of water are as follows. First is water is a colorless, tasteless and odorless liquid. Means water don't have any taste, don't have any smell and don't have any color. Second is it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. And the third property is it is known as universal solvent because it can dissolve a large number of substances in it. Question 4. Explain the process of filtration of water using filter paper. Filtration of water. In this, the separation of insoluble impurities is done with the help of filter paper. In this, filter paper is first cut as a circle, then folded twice as shown in the figure. Open one part to get a cone shape and fit this cone in a glass funnel. Now pour the impure water into the funnel with the help of glass rod slowly. Clean water will get collected in the glass beaker and impurities will be left behind on the filter paper. Children, you are seeing pic of filtration process. In this process, impure water is passed through the funnel and clean water we get in the beaker. Question 5. Discuss some methods for purifying water. Some methods under purification of water are: first is boiling. It is the easiest and safe method of purifying water. In this method, water should be boiled for at least 10 to 14 minutes and strained to remove the impurities. And this is the oldest method of purifying water. Second method is chlorination. It is the process of adding chlorine to water to make it fit for human consumption. In this process, water is treated with chlorine to prevent the spread of waterborne diseases. Third method is RO system. Reverse osmosis system is used to remove salt from water.